Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to build a twin axle bed frame. This size is also 90 by 200 cm. You can see the cut list on the screen. Pause the video if you need more time. All parts use standard lumber from a hardware store. You will also need screws and wood glue. Make sure all joints are tight. Use glue at every connection. If you skip the glue, the bed may squeak. The full step-by-step assembly is shown in this video. If you prefer a printed version, check the link in the pinned comment. You can download the PDF plans for a small fee. It makes the build easy and saves time. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like it. See you in the next project.